Hi guys, good morning. Pride here in Chicago and kasama ko si Love. Ayan, pink na pink. Kasi meron kaming pupuntahan sa downtown Chicago, rooftop party. So, ayun, friend ni Love yung nag-invite. I-update ko kayo kung anong kaganapan doon. And this is my first time na mag-Pride. So, tignan ko yung anong mga kaganapan doon. So, excited, di ba Love? So, ito lang yung suot namin. So pink tayo ngayon. So yun,
kasi yun ang requirement.
Yun yung requirement para makapasok sa party. Ayan, pero meron naman meron akong change outfit mamaya. We'll see. And yan, ito lang yung outfit natin. Yan. I love. Bye-bye.
I can hear the sound, I can hear the beat. I can feel the bass, I can feel the heat. Sing along, like a shout and scream. I can feel it taking over me. Ooh la la la, ooh la la la. Hey hey, ooh la la la, ooh la la la. Hey hey.
Hi, good morning, baby. Ayun, may isang friend na naman namin na kasabwat. Charot lang, kasabwat lang. Say hi to my vlog, baby.
Ay, vlog na?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Kasi first time namin mag-parade. Pride dito sa Chicago. So, ayun, pinikap namin siya and then punta na kami sa pink. Required talaga, di ba? O ba't violet sa'yo?
Joke ba yan?
Joke lang.
Baka hindi mo papasukin. Hindi mo papasukin. Balikan.
Hi guys, for today's vlog, nandito kami ngayon sa street. Sobrang lamig, oh my god. Oo. Pero okay lang, ito kasama ko po si Small Laude. Charot lang. Small Laude. Ayan. Yung asawa ni Small. Si Silotlot. Silotlot. Pink pala no, Small Laude. So dito kami ngayon sa saan ba tong banda na to? Boys Town. Yan. So maraming, yan, i-close na nila yung daan. Sa Malate. I-close na yung mga daan kasi mag-start na yung parade. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami sasakay sa parade.
Napaparid yung mga bakla.
So update ko kayo guys, maya-maya lang kasi mainit na pala. So mag-start na yung parade. Ayan. Woo! Ayan, walkathon muna tayo. Daming tao. Ano na? Malapit na ba tayo?
Malapit tayo gumip up.
So ayun guys, nandito kami ngayon sa street ng anong lang?
Halsted.
Oh, ayan. So dito maraming tao. Yan, nag-support din yung Shell. Hi Ken. Ayan. So, yan, madaming tao sa likod ko. Excited. Hi. Hi, me. Ayan yung street. Ayan. Ayan pala. Hello. Hi.
Sa downtown.
Hi.
Doon, downtown.
Hey. Hindi ko alam kung.
There.
Happy Pride! Happy Pride! Ayan, we have a lot of drinks. Hi, baby. Happy Pride!
Against prejudice, we stand side by side. In unity, we find our strength to rise. On Gay Pride Day, our anthem filled. Love is love in every shade and hue. Pride in being yourself, bold and true. Celebrate diversity, expression without fear. On Gay Pride Day, a message loud and clear. Love is love in every shade and hue. Pride in being yourself, bold and true. Celebrate diversity, expression without fear. On Gay Pride Day, a message loud and clear. On Gay Pride Day, a message loud and clear. May hope be our banner, love our guide. Against prejudice, we stand side by side. In unity, we find our strength to rise. On Gay Pride Day, our anthem filled. Love is love in every shade and hue. Pride in being yourself, bold and true. Celebrate diversity, expression without fear. On Gay Pride Day, a message loud and clear. Love is love in every shade and hue. Pride in being yourself, bold and true. Celebrate diversity, expression without fear. On Gay Pride Day, a message loud and clear. On Gay Pride Day, a message loud and clear. May hope be our banner, love our guide. Against prejudice, we stand side by side. In unity, we find our strength to rise. On Gay Pride Day, our anthem filled. Love is love in every shade and hue. Pride in being yourself, bold and true. Celebrate diversity, expression without.
After sayaw-sayawan, nagutom yung mga bakla. Laban, gutom kayo? Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Hi. I like your outfit.
Thank you, bitch.
Ah! Yeah! Yeah! I like that. Cheers! Yan, wala nang parade. So, ano na lang ngayon? Party sa rooftop. Yay! Cheers! Ayan guys, so natapos na yung party. So, ayun.
Haggard versus.
Haggard Versosa. So, kakain na kami. Isan ba? So, mamaya naman,
Hanggang gabi pa kami
hanggang
dito.
gabi pa kami dito. So, update ko kayo guys. Right? Sobrang ano na. Gusto na kami maglalapang. Gutom na eh, gutom na. So, marami pang tao dito. Ayan. Dito. Later na.
Bye.
Bye. Ang gulo. Ay guys, nakauwi na kami. And ayun, it was fun. Pagod at saka amoy araw na kami at maliligo na para makapag-rest na. So ano love?
Fun backfiring.
Yeah. So maraming ganap. Hindi ko na ano talaga yung mga kaganapan kasi nag-enjoy din kami eh. So guys, please share subscribe, and ano pa? Wala na.
Good night.
Good night. Wala na, sumakit na yung ulo namin sa kakasaya din. So see you guys sa next vlog. Abangan nyo. Bye-bye! Bye, love!
Bye.
Bye! Bye!